Migao mar omenda Mbadi osiemo jotelo manie sirikal kod apisas mamoko mawacho ni kwalo mwandu jopiny kaito dhi gigero godo pinje maoko. Mbadi wacho ni kuoma kamano kelo lal ne Kenya kendo emomiyo sirikal olo omenda mathoth mondo mi odin go fuok ma owenono gi joyak pes jopiny.
Some of us steal money here, we go to Tanzania, we invest it there. Because when we invest it in Kenya, it will be more visible. You also bring money from Tanzania, some of it by road, na magari. Mnapitia, mnakuja hapa Kenya, you start constructing buildings around here. That is what we do. So if we are stealing 2 billion per day, assuming we reduce the theft, we don't want to stop it, we just say, okay, if you have been stealing 1,000, please steal only 500 shillings. If you have been stealing 100,000, steal 50,000. If there could be that, I don't know whether to call it conscious decision, but if there could be such a decision, ridiculous as it sounds, we would be saving 1 billion shilling per day, which would accumulate to 365 billion shillings. That is more than the external borrowing.